Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Once again, in this video we'll be looking at how can you add the brush presets in your Adobe Photoshop CC. So the version right now I'm using is 2017 release, and the method is going to work fine with the all of the different version, whatever it is. Okay, so before starting the video, if you want to know more about the updates on this channel, you can follow me on Instagram. And apart from this, if you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, make sure you click over the bell icon and subscribe button in order to be get notified for the latest uploads and you can see the videos. So here is the actual loading screen of the Photoshop CC, and if you want to add the brush presets, it's very easy. So here we have the interface of Photoshop CC. You can see I'm going to click over the brush button and you can see it already comes along with predefined brush strokes. So here we have two preset filters, you can say, over the desktop, and if you want to load those, you just have to click over this little setting gear icon, click over load preset and locate the preset plugin. So on my PC, this is over the desktop. I'm going to select one, and one at a time just click load and it will load all the defined process the brushes with the defined code. Similar to this, I'm going to click over the another brush preset and that will be like this. So here we have the both presets of brush strokes in our PC. Now you can play with it, you can draw, you can select the code of the brushes and you can draw whatever you want. So this is how you can easily add brush preset in your Adobe Photoshop CC. And there is another way to add it manually, but this one is the easiest one. I hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe to the channel if you didn't yet, and I'll see you guys in the next one.